Did you know some flags map out the actual stars in the night sky? Let's test your flag knowledge. Which country's flag features exactly 50 white stars on a blue background? Is it A, Canada, B, United States, or C, United Kingdom? It's B, United States. They represent the 50 states. Which country's flag features one large yellow star and four smaller ones on a red background? Is it A, China, B, Japan, or C, Thailand? It's A, China. The stars represent national unity. Which country features the Southern Cross constellation, made of stars next to a Union Jack? Is it A, Australia, B, India, or C, South Africa? It's A, Australia. The constellation shines in southern skies. Which international union uses a flag with a circle of 12 golden stars on a blue background? Is it A, United Nations, B, African Union, or C, European Union? It's C, European Union. 12 stars represent harmony. Which country's bright red flag features a white crescent moon and a single 5-pointed star? Is it A, Turkey, B, Egypt, or C, Greece? It's A, Turkey. They are historic national symbols. Which South American country's flag shows a starry sky containing 27 stars inside a blue globe? Is it A, Argentina, B, Brazil, or C, Colombia? It's B, Brazil. The stars represent states. Which Asian country's flag features a single large yellow star centered on a bright red background? Is it A, South Korea, B, Vietnam, or C, Mongolia? It's B, Vietnam. The points represent 5 social classes. Which country's flag features 4 red stars with white borders on a blue canton? Is it A, Australia, B, New Zealand, or C, Fiji? It's B, New Zealand. They represent the Southern Cross. Which country's flag features a blue 6-pointed Star of David between 2 horizontal blue stripes? Is it A, Israel, B, Jordan, or C, Lebanon? It's A, Israel. It's a traditional Jewish symbol. Which country's flag, famously called the Lone Star, features a single white star on a blue square? Is it A, Peru, B, Chile, or C, Bolivia? It's B, Chile. It is called La Estrella Solitaria. Which Southeast Asian island nation's flag has a crescent moon next to 5 white stars in a circle? Is it A, Singapore, B, Malaysia, or C, Indonesia? It's A, Singapore. The stars represent 5 national ideals. Which African country's flag is light blue with a single large white star in the center? Is it A, Somalia, B, Ethiopia, or C, Sudan? It's A, Somalia. The blue honors the United Nations. Which country's flag is red with a green 5-pointed star called a pentagram in the center? Is it A, Tunisia, B, Morocco, or C, Algeria? It's B, Morocco. The green star represents Solomon's seal. Which Caribbean island nation's flag features a single white star inside a red triangle? Is it A, Jamaica, B, Cuba, or C, Bahamas? It's B, Cuba. The star represents freedom. Which country's yellow, blue, and red tricolor flag features an arc of 8 white stars in the middle? Is it A, Colombia, B, Ecuador, or C, Venezuela? It's C, Venezuela. The stars represent historic provinces. Which Asian flag features 3 golden stars representing its 3 main island groups? Is it A, Philippines, B, Japan, or C, Indonesia? It's A, Philippines. They stand for 3 island groups. Which European country's flag features a diagonal line of white stars next to a yellow triangle? Is it A, Croatia, B, Bosnia and Herzegovina, or C, Slovenia? It's B, Bosnia and Herzegovina. The stars represent Europe. Which Central American country's flag is divided into 4 quarters with 1 blue star and 1 red star? Is it A, Costa Rica, B, Panama, or C, Nicaragua? It's B, Panama. The stars represent political parties. Which Central American flag features 5 blue stars arranged in an H shape? Is it A, Honduras, B, El Salvador, or C, Guatemala? It's A, Honduras. They represent 5 former Union members. Which Middle Eastern flag features a white 7-pointed star on a red triangle? Is it A, Syria, B, Iraq, or C, Jordan? It's C, Jordan. The points represent Quran verses. Which Pacific Island nation's flag features 5 white stars of the Southern Cross on a blue canton? Is it A, Samoa, B, Fiji, or C, Tonga? It's A, Samoa. It shows their southern location. Which island nation's flag features 4 white stars arranged in a circle on a light blue field? Is it A, Palau, B, Micronesia, or C, Marshall Islands? It's B, Micronesia. The stars represent island groups. Which African island nation's flag features a circle of 10 yellow stars over blue, white, and red stripes? Is it A, Madagascar, B, Cabo Verde, or C, Seychelles? It's B, Cabo Verde. The stars represent main islands. Which African nation's flag features 3 red, 6-pointed stars outlined in green inside a white circle? Is it A, Burundi, B, Rwanda, or C, Uganda? It's A, Burundi. They represent the national motto. Which Pacific nation's flag features a large white star with 24 rays beside 2 diagonal orange and white stripes? Is it A, Nauru, B, Tuvalu, or C, Marshall Islands? It's C, Marshall Islands. 24 rays represent districts. Which self-governing territory's flag features a ring of 15 white stars on a dark blue background? Is it A, Cook Islands, B, Niue, or C, Tokelau? It's A, Cook Islands. They represent 15 islands. Which island nation's flag has 9 yellow stars arranged to map out its islands in the ocean? Is it A, Vanuatu, B, Tuvalu, or C, Solomon Islands? It's B, Tuvalu. They geographically map the islands. Which Central Asian nation's flag features a crescent moon next to 12 stars representing the months of the year? Is it A, Uzbekistan, B, Kazakhstan, or C, Turkmenistan? It's A, Uzbekistan. 12 stars represent the calendar. How many starry flags did you guess correctly? Tell us your score in the comments and subscribe for more fun quizzes.